coming from a little bit of a different perspective, when we have physicians interviewing and we're walking down the halls or in the practices or around surgery, team members always smile or, you know, good morning, good afternoon. If you stand around too long, they'll ask if you need directions. So I've had so many physicians comment about that and say, are people always that nice? Everybody around here smiles at you. I think we do have a really wonderful group of physicians, and not just because I help to recruit most of them, but we really do have family caring for family, and it's so nice when, you know, you're part of the process to bring them and their family here and they choose us. And I think one of the reasons they choose us is because we are friendly, we are compassionate, you know, we look out for each other, not only here at the hospital, but in the schools or on the soccer fields. And so it's really a great place to live and work. I'm thankful for the team members from all different departments, and during COVID kind of helped learn a little bit about, you know, how tirelessly the people in the lab were working, and at the immediate care centers, and of course the nurses. But it is so nice to be part of a team of friends helping friends, family helping family. Some of these patients couldn't get out, and so, you know, for whatever reason, they were maybe at the nursing home or in another assisted living facility or just trapped in their homes, but they still needed care. So the physicians learned telemedicine, which was something new for everybody, and would take time to, you know, help patients figure out how to download the app, and the commitment that they made to still treat their patients even though that they had to learn a new way to provide medicine. I'm proud of how the departments came together. When we had to work the COVID tent, there were people from, you know, SGPA admin and different parts of different practices in the lab, and you know, working in a hot parking lot in the middle of August. So it was so proud to see everybody just come together to get the job done, and I'm proud to be part of this team. Happy Hospital Week.